Alright, top of the morning. I'm back on a Monday. I wasn't here for a couple days working on my car and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna fill you in on that soon. But yeah, ain't nobody even really here like that. So yeah, hope you're doing good though. Hope your weekend was good and all that good shit. But yeah, I'll tap in with you when we actually do something.
Everything accounted for. You got my shit here. Understand me?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my.
Me and Chris was struggling for 2 hours just to realize we put the wrong pistons in the wrong cylinders.
Oh yeah, that was the biggest bitch.
And it won't like go if it's in the wrong?
No, you'll know it's wrong because the amount of resistance. It's supposed to slide in like butter, and it won't slide in.
And it's supposed to be able to put on it.
So basically it's like piston one after one. Piston two after one.
And all we did was we put the piston, we put
Give me a name. What do you need? What's the component name?
That's literally all we did.
So can't you just mark it on
That's
the top?
two of them.
That's what we did.
Usually
Just that the first time we did it, we didn't mark it and we didn't know which was what. We just showed it.
I'm literally twisting this.
It just spin. It doesn't go anymore.
Yo, no way.
Like the bolt is not gonna like.
We had good luck. Come on.
It's just gonna keep spinning.
Yeah, this is.
Whack.
I don't think you told
Get him my E10.
You trying to put the grenade pin in?
Yeah, no.
Yo, that grenade pin, put it back in here in the kit. Get nice and organized, alright?
I get it. But some parents be imagine how they are.
She can't.
They don't teach you that music.
Kyber fighting.
Kyber, did you 4080?
I wasn't
He said of course.
Do you see how I'm questioning everything? Yeah, you guys should be doing the same damn thing. Question. Just because it comes on your phone doesn't mean that
I was gonna go.
Engine.
we're not correct. And they revised them.
That's a throttle body.
No, Mr. Torchlight. I mean, Mr. C.
Mr. You did that on purpose?
I got a broken bone here. Well, not me, but it's just like this. I'm pointing it out. What happened? Why
In the oil pump.
Confused.
An oil pump bolt. The oil pump, no? The housing of the oil pump.
Write it down for me, okay? That's gonna be actually. I'm gonna show you how to take that out.
Nice. Get a screw and screw it in and then reverse thread it out or something.
Okay, I was gonna write down
120.
Yes, sir.
Let me get the 3/8 and
the? Oh, I'm sorry. That shit threw me off. Yo, CV, I'm about to smoke you on 2K. You know why? I have a Zen. Yeah. I have a Zen. And that shit just gonna come right out.
Take it off. No. Take off.
Is that gonna I'll be hard the next week. Cause they can't arrest me. What do you know about that? You was like 13 when this song came out. Fuck that. Fuck that. No damn safety glasses. Right. I don't be wearing safety glasses.
Yo, give me a bolt for this.
I'm not lying. I'm bold.
Yo, you got a bolt for this or what?
Yo, CV, you got the bolt?
No. Go fix your engine. Probably over there. Go fix your own engine.
He needs it. The bolt? I don't know. He needs some bolt. I don't know. Forgot that talking, they do it. This song was in Fast and Furious, actually. Oh, but he just said it, so I was like, what?
Lunch. We'll be back from lunch.
Hungry ass niggas. That's what I'm saying, VP, right?
I'm just saying, I don't know.
Yeah.
Don't live praise.
Yeah, because this is the only other bone missing
I
up
do
here.
so.
Guard.
I'm sorry. That's
That one's broken, we're missing one.
We back from lunch, doing a little work on the engine, cleaning it up, whatnot, trying to put the oil pan on. I don't know how long I'm gonna be with you, but I'm gonna get some footage. Yeah, that's all there.
Guard? Is that recorded? I hope not. I don't know, just looks Mix it full, baby.
Nigga said round 2.
I got a test.
Nah, the brownies.
So what made you go back around and get it, bro?
I'm not gonna lie.
1 second I seen you, the next you got
He
3.
must have got a smell or something.
Nah, I'm just impulsive.
I didn't even see you.
Like my intrusive thoughts beat me.
I'm not even gonna lie. All I saw
Oh yeah, brownie's good. I don't even have to think about it. Brownie's good, I promise.
It is? I gotta see for myself because I'm the brownie head.
It tastes exactly how I expected it.
Doesn't this plug into the engine?
I'm up. Here.
Is that good?
You know the brownies they made in high school. The girl.
Girl never made me brownies.
No, you remember when niggas was giving out brownies? Not giving out, but niggas was buying brownies off of Aaron.
I think so, yeah.
It was like niggas was getting 3 brownies for it.
Them brownies, bro, them brownies are way too fucking small. They need to be bigger.
Where does it go on the bottom somewhere?
Wait, no, it does go here, but something else goes for it. Look. Yeah, something else goes for it.
Yo, what you doing today, Jesse, for the shits?
So watch the game?
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna get drunk as fuck.
No work today?
Yo,
W you, huh?
Bro, can you throw me a pencil?
What time is it? That was a good catch there. Be safe, y'all.
See y'all tomorrow.
3-0 Knicks. Gonna be 3-0 tomorrow, guaranteed.
Safety.
Let me look up that procedure. Almost broke something the last time I did that.
Alright, it feels good to be back. Yeah, I'm going home. Gonna cook up on that engine tomorrow. And yeah. So I'm gonna catch y'all.
That's crazy.
Bye.